Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment.
I am going to discuss about a total differential or exact differential. Here, if z is equal to f of xy, z is equal to f of xy is a function of two variables, is a function of two independent variables, then the total differential dz is defined by or is given by dz is equal to dou f by dou x into dx plus dou f by dou y into dy. If z is a function of two variables, then total derivative I can write like this, or total differential or exact differential I can write like this, or if it is three variables are depending, if u is a function of f of x, y and z, then total differential du is defined as dou f by dou x into dx plus dou f by dou y into dy plus dou f by dou z into dz. I can define. Okay, with an example I will explain what is the total differential. Say for example, f is a function, correct? Example I will take here. If z is equal to x cos y minus y cos x, z is a function of x and y, then it's a total partial derivatives. What is that? Dou z by dou x. To find out that x into cos y, therefore it is a cos y, partial derivative of x is 1, minus y into partial derivative of cos y is minus sin x. Okay, I can define it as a cos y plus y sin x. Like that, dou z by dou y I can define it as x into partial derivative of cos y is minus sin y, minus partial derivative of y is 1, cos x as constant, partial derivative with respect to y, or minus x sin y minus cos x. From these two, using these two, I can define the total differential, correct? Total differential or exact differential, total differential or exact differential dz is equal to, correct, dou z by dou z by dou x into dx plus dou z by dou y into dy. This is nothing but dou z by dou x is cos y plus y sin x into dx plus dou z by dou y, it is minus x sin y minus cos x into dy, or this minus I can take common and I can write it as cos y plus y sin x into dx minus of x sin y plus cos x into dy. This is the total differential or exact differential of z. Okay, these things, it is nothing but an exact differential equation also. In differential equations we are going to solve that. Okay, like this, one more example on this one I will explain, of three variables. Okay, example number 2, f of x y z is equal to e to the power x y z. This is a one function of x y z, correct? And here I want to find out its total derivative. To find out this one, what I have to write here, df is equal to dou f by dou x into dx plus dou f by dou y into dy dou f by dou z into dz. Okay, then dou f by dou x, partial derivative of e raised to x y z with respect to x. E raised to x, choosing the chain rule, e raised to x is e raised to x y z into partial derivative of x y z. Chain rule I am applying, into dx. Like that, dou f by dou y is e raised to x y z into dou by dou y of x y z into dy, plus with respect to z, e raised to x y z into dou by dou z of x y z into dz. And from all the three terms I can take e raised to x y z common. E raised to x y z, if I take common, then here partial derivative of x y z with respect to x will become y z into dx, plus, and here e raised to x y z is common, x y z, and here common partial derivative of x y z with respect to y will become x z into dy. Similarly, here it is x y into dz. This is the total derivative of f of e raised to x y z with respect to this one. Okay, next, in my next video I am going to explain about the total derivative, how to find out the total derivative if the function is depending on single two variables and it is again depending on the single variable, then how to find out the total derivative in my next video. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.